We're live from one of the biggest, craziest light displays in the country. As we say, good morning, America.
Live in Times Square, this is GMA.
All right, we're back now with our Winter Beauty 101. As we all know, Thanksgiving just ended. If you are thinking about avoiding fats to make up for the intake, shall we say, on Turkey Day, think again. With the cold weather and wind, your skin, your hair needs fat more than ever. Dr. Whitney Bowe was just explaining it to me. She's here with some of her best tips ever. So I love this. So I can still feel like I'm taking fat on.
Fats are absolutely essential when it comes to skincare during the winter. You want to look for rich, creamy products that have ingredients like ceramides and cholesterol and fatty acids. Those key ingredients will actually replenish the fats that your skin actually needs all winter long.
And then there are a lot of products out there, so look for those ingredients, but also there are products right in our homes that can work for you.
So I love olive oil for winter skin. It's naturally rich in calming ingredients like vitamin E and polyphenols. It's intensely moisturizing. I brought one of my favorite winter skincare products with
olive oil.
It's a shimmering body oil by the brand Olive & M. So you just shake it up and it disperses these shimmering particles into the olive oil.
We have a very
beautiful Gina, who's donating her arm to the cause. So just a couple drops goes a long way. Rub that right in. It just gives you that beautiful glow that's perfect for holiday season.
And it also looks like it's very rich and moisturizing.
But Gina, you can actually totally do this at home. So I brought a really simple recipe. What you want to do is take your olive oil right from your kitchen counter, throw it into a little travel-sized container, leave a little room at the top, and then if you have shimmering eyeshadow or shimmering highlighter at home, just take that with a fork and you basically just brush it onto a piece of paper. Take that paper and use it like a funnel to add it to your olive oil, shake it right up, and then you have your own DIY shimmering body oil. Let's get your other arm. So rub that in and take a look. So she just released her inner goddess.
I love that. It's a great idea. Everybody has that extra eyeshadow that's a little bit too frosty.
Or if it starts to break already, this is like the perfect thing to do with it, right?
It's a great idea. Coconut oil is another great product. You're not that crazy about it, though, for the skin.
So coconut oil can actually break out my patients who are acne prone, but I love it when it comes to protecting your hair. So new science, Lara, shows that wet hair is weak hair. So when your hair gets wet, when you're in the shower, your hair actually absorbs water and your hair expands and it pushes open that protective cuticle. So it turns out coconut oil can protect your hair from that water damage and from that breakage.
You brought a product.
So yes, so this is a pre-wash spray by the brand Aquas. You can just spray it right onto your hair before you get wet.
I was just going to ask you,
before you get in the shower.
Leave-in conditioners after. You're actually saying do it on dry hair.
This is protecting your hair before, so it's before the damage is done. It's really game-changing. The science is very interesting.
I'm sure you all agree. You think it's the blow dryer or the curling iron. You're actually saying just getting it wet is actually damaging.
Water fatigue. There's this new theory, water damage. And you're from Hawaii, right, Mallory? So, you know, she's probably feeling the dryness now that you're here in New York. You can do this yourself. You just take a tablespoon of coconut oil, and if you guys cook with this, you know you have to melt it down, so you throw it in the microwave for about a minute, and then add it to a shaker bottle, add water for the rest of it, shake it up, and do you mind if I spray this into the ends?
What's the ratio between oil and water?
1 to 1, so 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to 1 cup of water will do the trick. And our shaker bottle is not cooperating.
But we get the idea.
In theory, your hair would be so protected.
All right, and then finally, this is a really simple way to get moisture all over your body.
Cool Mist Humidifier. This is basically my secret weapon all winter long, and they now come with essential oils trays. So I throw in a little lavender oil. Helps me de-stress, hydrates the air. This is like one of the best things you can do. You know, the dry heat dries out the air, so that dry air just steals moisture from your skin, from your hair.
Why not
all day long, all night long? It's actually safer. So I have a 7-year-old at home, and if she comes and accidentally knocks over a hot humidifier or hot water, it's going to be dangerous, right? So go for the Cool Mist Humidifier, but if you love your essential oils, which I do, look for one that has an essential oils tray. You never want to add the oil directly to the tank. It can clog the motor and do damage.
You are filled with the tank. Amazing advice, as always. Thank you so much, Dr. Whitney Bowe. Always so great to have you here. Really simple, helpful. Let's get the fat going again, and we will be right back.